Gus and Gia, Gus and Gia. Hi there, friends, glad to see ya. Singing a song for you, 'cause you're right where you belong. We'll bring a smile on your face, you know. Welcome to the Gus and Gia Puppet Show.
Hi, Gia.
Hi, Gus.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
What are you reading?
It's a book called I Am Brave.
Oh, I'm brave. I think I am. I've always been brave, I think.
Really?
I think I'm brave. Well, read the story. Let's see if I'm brave.
Okay. It's by Kelly Greenawalt.
Oh, awesome.
I am Princess Truly. I am brave, smart, and strong. We are going camping.
I love camping.
Ty wants to come along. Off to the woods we go.
Ooh, I like the wood.
We have a lot to take. We always take a lot when we go, don't we, Gus?
Oh, a lot. Sleeping bags.
Things
what
to make
else?
s'mores.
Tents. Yeah, s'mores. I love s'mores.
Me too. We walk down the long trail and set up by the lake.
I love lakes.
First, we put up the tent.
There's that tent again.
Then it's time to unpack. Next, we build a fire and make a yummy snack.
I love the s'mores.
Let's go out and explore. Sir Noodles finds a cave.
A cave? Yikes, I'm more scared than a turtle on a fence post.
Gus!
What?
It's a cave, Gus.
Okay.
It's just a story.
Okay.
I want to go inside, but Ty does not feel brave. Ty does not like the dark. He wants to leave right now. Ty will not go inside. No way, no thanks, no how.
I get you, Ty. I'm with ya.
I have a great idea. My curls begin to glow. I hold his hand real tight. Into the cave we go.
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
No!
We find a hidden lake. We climb the waterfall. Ty does not feel afraid. He is brave after all.
Good for you, Ty.
Hiccup. I have the hiccups. I want to make them go.
Yeah, I get those from laughing, which I do a lot.
Yeah, you do. I fill up my cheeks with air. I let it out real slow.
Yep, that can work too.
Ty has a great idea. He will scare them away.
Yep, that works too.
But I am just too brave. I think they're here to stay.
Don't give up, Princess Truly.
Lizards do not scare me. I think big bugs are neat.
You do?
Ew! She does. I'm not afraid of snakes. I think spiders are sweet.
Ew!
Not me. When I'm around spiders, I'm like a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs.
Sir Noodles will help Ty. They hide behind a tree. Hiccup! Roar! Ah-woo! When I walk in the woods, they jump out to scare me. Hiccup! You two cannot trick me. I am too brave to scare. But what is up the hill? Look out! There's a bear.
A what?
I jump up and then I yell. My hiccups go away. Brave girls can get scared too. That bear cub saved the day.
Yay!
A spooky story. It's time to go to bed. The stars and moon shine bright. We tell spooky stories and then we say good night.
Gia, did you ever know what ghosts eat?
What, Gus?
Bananas!
We climb into our tent. I toss and turn around. Creak! Then I see a shadow and hear a creepy sound. Ty whispers, "What is that?" Sir Noodle starts to shake. It looks big and scary. It's over by the lake. I am a brave princess. My magic curls shine bright.
Do I have those?
I climb out of the tent and head into the night. Is it a lake monster? The shadow is growing. I shine my red flashlight.
Oh no!
I see two eyes glowing.
Oh no!
Gia, do you know what sea monsters eat?
I don't know. What do sea monsters eat?
Fish and chips.
It is not a monster. It is just a big frog. He sticks out his long tongue. He jumps off his log. I hear a scary noise. I shine my light to see. Snap! Something strange is moving. It tries to follow me. Is it a lake monster? Is it another frog? I giggle when I see it's just my dirty dog. The end.
Wow, that was a good
Yeah.
story. I like that one.
I did
I
too.
think I'm brave now.
You do?
I think so.
Sure, Gus.
Yeah.
I believe you.
You okay? You feeling okay? You're not sick, are you?
No.
Do I have to tell Mom and Dad you're sick?
No. Okay, well, goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody. We love you.
Remember, we love you.
love you.
Hey, everybody, we want to let you know if you want to see future of our shows to like and subscribe and don't miss any.
Yeah.
I'm going to go play football.
Me too.
Enough story time. I'm out of here. Football time.